So Microsoft Edge by default has a certain view right here. So it's plain bright as you can see right here. But what you can also do is you can change out the Microsoft Edge theme. So to do that, you can go around and click on the three dot button over here and then go around onto settings over here. So once you go around onto settings, what you can do is you can go around over here onto the left hand side over here onto appearance section, and there are a lot of themes that you can choose from, as you can see. So right now the bright look that you get is through the system default. So my system is in light mode, and that is why you get the bright look. But if I were to go to dark look, then you can see that I got the dark mode now, and all of the navigation now turns dark right here, just like this. Or apart from that, you can go around and utilize the themes that you see right here. You can go around and access more themes over here as well, but that is what we're going to explore in further videos. So if I were to go around onto morning log, then you can see that it changes out the color accordingly. You can go for Icy Mint or Island Getaway and Mystical Forest right here, or Moonlight Glow, and you can see that you get the similar colors as you choose out the theme right here, just like this. So you can go around and change around the color of the theme that you want to apply, and it is applied simply just like that, as you can see. But I'm just going to go around and go back to the system default mode right here, just like this. So now once I do that, I'm going to go around over here, and you can go for dark right here or light right here, and you can see that everything else changes out right here. So go to system default, and it goes back to the way it was. And that is how you can change out the Microsoft Edge themes inside of Microsoft Edge. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.